10 high-maintenance dog breeds you should never own unless you're ready. Are you dreaming of owning a dog that turns heads everywhere you go? Before you fall in love with looks alone, you should know that some of the best-looking breeds are also the hardest to care for. Grooming, exercise, health needs, and even personality quirks can make certain breeds more work than most people realize. Today, we're counting down the 10 most high-maintenance dog breeds, starting from the least demanding to the absolute hardest. Stick with us until the end, because number 1 may shock you. Den Saint Bernard. The Saint Bernard is a gentle giant known for its calm and loving nature. However, its enormous size means everything about its care is on a larger scale. Feeding a dog this big can be expensive, and their coats shed heavily throughout the year. They also drool a lot, which means constant cleaning around your home. While their hearts are huge, so is their daily upkeep. Because of their size, Saint Bernards can overheat easily in warm climates. They require a cool environment and consistent grooming to keep their thick coats healthy. Exercise needs are moderate, but moving a dog this large requires space and energy from the owner. Families love them for their loyalty, but the commitment is no small task. If you want one, you must be prepared to manage their needs. Despite their challenges, Saint Bernards are among the most loving and patient dogs. They're gentle with children and protective of their families. Yet, their high-maintenance lifestyle means they are not ideal for every home. Owners must be financially prepared for food, grooming, and vet costs. Choosing a Saint Bernard means signing up for big love and big responsibilities. Novi Dalmatian. The Dalmatian is famous for its striking spots and boundless energy. These dogs are stunning, but they shed heavily all year long. Their short coat may seem easy to maintain, yet hair ends up everywhere, from furniture to clothes. Alongside grooming, their exercise demands are huge. Without long daily runs, they can become restless and destructive. Training is another challenge with Dalmatians. They are intelligent, but also strong-willed, requiring firm and consistent guidance. Without structure, they may ignore commands or develop bad habits. Socialization is essential because they can be aloof with strangers. The Dalmatian looks elegant, but its personality is full of intensity. Owning a Dalmatian means dedicating serious time to both physical and mental stimulation. They need interactive play, agility training, or running partners to stay satisfied. A bored Dalmatian is a recipe for chewed furniture and endless barking. Their beauty comes with a demanding price in energy and patience. They are not for the casual dog owner who just wants a calm companion. 8. Chow Chow. The Chow Chow is known for its lion-like mane and dignified presence. Their thick double coat requires frequent brushing to prevent mats and tangles. Seasonal shedding means extra grooming sessions, often needing professional help. Beyond grooming, they're naturally reserved and can be stubborn. This combination makes them a high-maintenance choice for inexperienced owners. Personality-wise, Chow Chows are loyal but not overly affectionate. They tend to bond with one family member more than others. Early socialization is crucial to prevent aggression toward strangers or other pets. They require owners who understand how to balance independence with gentle training. Without this, Chow Chows may become difficult to handle. Despite their challenges, Chow Chows are beautiful and noble companions. They make excellent watchdogs due to their protective instincts. However, they're not the playful, eager-to-please type like other breeds. Instead, they demand respect, structure, and patience. A Chow Chow is best for someone who wants a loyal yet independent guardian. 7. Akita. The Akita is a powerful and protective breed, admired for its strength and loyalty. With their thick double coat, Akitas shed heavily, especially during seasonal changes. Daily brushing is a must to keep shedding under control. Their size and independence make them unsuitable for inexperienced owners. Handling an Akita requires confidence and consistency. Akitas are naturally protective and can be wary of strangers. They need early and ongoing socialization to prevent aggression. Their dominant personality makes training essential but often challenging. Without the right approach, they may ignore commands or assert control. This makes them best for owners with strong leadership skills. Despite their demanding nature, Akitas are deeply loyal to their families. They are calm indoors but require regular exercise to stay balanced. Their protective instincts make them excellent guardians. However, neglecting their grooming and training needs can quickly become overwhelming. Akitas reward experienced owners with unmatched loyalty and companionship. 6. Old English Sheepdog. The Old English Sheepdog looks like a living teddy bear with its shaggy coat. But that coat requires intense grooming, often daily brushing to prevent tangles. Their fur traps dirt, moisture, and debris, making upkeep time-consuming. Regular professional grooming is also necessary to keep them healthy. Their appearance may be fun, but the work behind it is serious. These dogs are playful and full of energy. They love engaging with their families and often act like oversized clowns. Grooming can be tricky because they sometimes treat the brush as a toy. Owners must be patient and consistent to manage their coats. Neglecting grooming quickly leads to discomfort and skin issues. Sheepdogs are intelligent and trainable but require stimulation to prevent boredom. Their coats are not the only thing that needs care. Their minds need activity too. Long walks, games, and challenges keep them satisfied. Without enough attention, they can become mischievous. They are wonderful dogs, but only for those ready to keep up with their demands. 5. Belgian Malinois. The Belgian Malinois is often mistaken for a German Shepherd, but is even more demanding. This breed is built for police and military work, with unmatched intelligence and drive. They require hours of daily exercise, far beyond the average walk. Without constant stimulation, they become restless and destructive. Owning one is like managing a canine athlete. Mental challenges are just as important as physical activity. Malinois thrive on advanced training, obstacle courses, and working tasks. A bored Malinois will invent its own job, often involving destruction. They're also protective, needing careful socialization. This is not a breed for casual or first-time dog owners. Despite the challenges, Malinois are deeply rewarding in the right hands. They bond closely with their owners and excel in obedience when trained properly. Their intelligence and energy make them one of the most capable working dogs. But for families who cannot keep up, they can quickly become overwhelming. They demand dedication every single day. Poodle. Poodles are known for their elegance, intelligence, and hypoallergenic coats. However, their beautiful curls require professional grooming every 3 to 6 weeks. Daily brushing is also necessary to prevent mats and tangles. On top of that, their ears need regular cleaning due to hair growth inside. This grooming commitment makes them one of the most high-maintenance breeds. Beyond grooming, poodles are very social animals. They thrive on attention and can develop separation anxiety if left alone too long. Their intelligence means they need regular mental stimulation. Games, training, and puzzles are essential to keep them engaged. A neglected poodle quickly becomes unhappy and stressed. Despite the effort, poodles are versatile and loving companions. They excel in obedience, agility, and even therapy work. Their elegance comes with a cost, but many find it worthwhile. Owning a poodle means balancing beauty, brains, and energy. They are incredible pets, but they demand serious dedication. 3. Siberian Husky. The Siberian Husky is admired for its wolf-like beauty and piercing eyes. However, this breed is notorious for being an escape artist. They dig under fences, climb over them, and wander far if given the chance. Their energy level is incredibly high, requiring hours of daily exercise. A bored husky will turn to destruction and mischief. Huskies also shed heavily, especially twice a year during seasonal changes. Their undercoat comes out in clumps, filling homes with fur. Grooming during these times is a full-time job. They thrive in colder climates but can struggle in warmer ones. Their beauty comes with a whirlwind of responsibilities. Personality-wise, huskies are intelligent but stubborn. Training them requires patience and consistency. They are also vocal, often howling or talking to their owners. Social and friendly, they may not make the best guard dogs despite their looks. Owning a husky is both rewarding and exhausting. 2. Border Collie. Border Collies are often considered the smartest of all dog breeds. They are natural herders, constantly looking for a task. Their intelligence means they require constant mental and physical stimulation. Long walks aren't enough. They need advanced training, agility, or herding work. Without this, they can become destructive and anxious. Their grooming needs are moderate but still require consistent upkeep. Border Collies have double coats that shed seasonally, demanding brushing to stay clean. Combined with their high energy, this makes them more demanding than many breeds. They are better suited for farms or highly active households. Apartment living can be very challenging for them. Despite the challenges, Border Collies are amazing companions for the right owner. They excel in sports, agility, and advanced obedience. Their devotion is unmatched when their needs are met. But their energy and intelligence can overwhelm unprepared families. They truly are dogs that require a full-time commitment. 1. Afghan Hound. The Afghan Hound takes the top spot as the most high-maintenance breed. Their long, silky coat demands daily brushing and weekly baths with blow-drying. Without constant care, their fur quickly tangles and mats. They also require professional grooming to maintain their show-stopping appearance. This is not a dog for someone short on time. In addition to grooming, Afghan Hounds are incredibly fast and athletic. They need wide-open spaces to run, reaching speeds up to 40 mph. Despite their elegance, they are independent and sometimes stubborn. Training can be a challenge because they think for themselves. This combination makes them one of the hardest breeds to manage. Yet the Afghan Hound is breathtaking and loyal to those who understand it. They bring beauty and grace into any home, but only if their needs are met. Owning one feels like caring for royalty. Constant attention and dedication are required. They are rewarding, but demanding in every sense. Truly, the Afghan Hound is the ultimate high-maintenance dog. So there you have it, our countdown of the 10 most high-maintenance dog breeds. Each one is beautiful, intelligent, and unique, but they all require more time, money, and effort than most people expect. Would you take on one of these demanding breeds, or do you prefer a more low-maintenance companion? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow dog lovers.